Alright guys, it's like it was driving me insane. What's up everybody? Hope you guys are doing okay. You know, Grace, what do you think? We finally got it fixed.
Yay!
Yeah, right, I know. Here's the deal guys. This thing here, Samsung water jet, active water jet, wasn't being active water jetting or anything. When it go to spin, it would just start banging around, going to the living room, going outside, hanging up on the roof. Like it was just being stupid. And so we were trying to figure out what was going on with it. We don't know for sure. My guess is that it's the damper rods on all four corners, right? You guys seen a bunch of videos like that. Well, we end up doing it. I'm going to show you quick, right? Because like I said, I've been doing a bunch of research on this thing, trying to do whatever I can to try to get it fixed. I'm going to show you what I did. I'm actually just going to shut this off, right? Because I think it's good. But for the meantime, we got the dampers ordered. By the way, if you have this one, let me show you what I mean. Open sesame. Open. Off with you. Will it open? That's weird. Oh, here it goes. Okay, great. Let me show you what I did. I got the screws off, okay? I'll show you guys here in a second. Check this out. Yeah, man, rigged it up. You know what it is? Look at that. What we ended up having to do is put we had to put foam all the way around it. Not all the way around. Of course, you can see there's a part right there, but mostly around it. Because what that did is it stabilized the actual machine from wobbling too much. And once that happened, like it actually spun. Now, if you want to, hey, it's your house, it's your machine. I don't care. Do what you want. You could probably leave it in like that forever. I saw one dude put towels. Our towels kept on falling down. You know, it's a really deep machine, so we just had a bunch of this foam stuff, like foam mattress stuff, and we just stuffed it in there really good, and that was it. Well, we did buy these here. This is the problem that I think we're having. We believe those springs went bad. You can't see them at all, but we believe the springs went bad. I'll probably do a separate video on that, show you what I did. But just as a time being, like, we're on the sticks, man. We live out in Seligman. There's nobody coming. Not for a while anyways. We had our dishwasher that needed to be fixed. It took 2 months, man. 2 months. They finally got to it. It's fixed. Dude did a fantastic job. It's just, it is what it is, man. So you really can't get out there too much. I don't know if I could, let me try this here. Hold up. I can show you. Try it too anyway. Just, okay, yeah, see that? Yeah, that whole rod needs to be, and it's real easy. Look, there's a slot right there, and there's one down there too. Basically, you lift up the tub a little bit. This will slide off, and then you'll have that rod go down, and it'll unhook down there. It's real easy. Like I said, I'll probably do another video for that. But if you guys washing machines down, clothes are backing up, try this temporary fix. You know, that's what I would do. So, anyways, hopefully it's fun. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. God bless you, man. I hope it does well for you guys. Oh, by the way, here's our model number right there. That's it. So, and I couldn't find, like, we finally found some on some damper rods, which I'll probably link below or something like that, or when I do the actual video. But all right, guys, take care. God bless. Bye.